asan yung aircon. Parang medyo mainit po. Pag nakapwesto na sila, we'll start the timer. Pwesto na po kayo so that we can start the timer, ladies and gentlemen. Kaya lang nandito pa sila. Nandito pa sila. Ayan. Ayan. Makikisuyo lang po. Pwesto na po tayo. Para po makapag-start na po tayo ng game. We'll have a fireside chat with our brand ambassadors later on. Not to worry. We can get more photos for sure. Ayan. Okay. Please go. Okay. Let's make sure na kompleto na po ang tables. Ayan. Eri, can you help check? Dali, sayang po ang chance to win kapag hindi pa nagsa-start. Ready na po ba? Facilitators, can I see a thumbs up? Kung ready na ang table ninyo? Not yet. Okay. Let me know agad ha, para we can start the timer soon. Sige, kaya natin to. Tapos pataasan yung aircon. Mainit. Yes, madam. Wala kayong assignment pa? Okay. Wait, let me call on my teammate. Eric, can you assign them please the tables? Ito, I think our facilitators are raising up the table numbers for those with available seats. So you can proceed to those tables para makumpleto na 3 or 4, at least 3 or 4 in the game. Okay. Doon sa dulo. Okay. 3 or 4 per table. So kung meron na kayong 3, you can already start. Over at 11 and 12, dito sa kabilang side. Sa 15, may kulang pa. Okay. Okay. O sige, last call na natin to ha. We're gonna start the timer. Last call na po natin. We're gonna start the timer in a bit. So kung wala pa kayong table, please proceed to a table right now. Game table at the sides. Nakataas ang numbers for those with vacant seats. Last 10 seconds. Kailangan nakapwesto na yung 10 seconds, okay? Kung dalawa, isa. Punks, asa na si Punks? Punks, mataas ng kamay. They can start with 2, kung talagang wala. If 2 lang, you can already start. Okay, last 10 seconds for you guys to join the table. Please, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start the timer, please. Timer has been started. Sa pagsisimula ng game, facilitators, don't forget to offer the starter cards and give them the 100,000 peso starter money. That's the goal that we're playing for. Yon ang mananalo. Meron na bang namumuro? Or meron na bang medyo nalulugi? Let's see. Ang ating influencers ba? As advisors, nakaka-arangkada ba sa game? Coach Jack Lord, ano? Wow! Ay! Ang dami na. Makapal na yung financial portfolio, can I just say? Gusto ko yung mga advisors natin, may kanya-kanya talaga silang mga tokens and investments kaagad. Alam mong advisors. How about our influencer friends? Ayan. Grabe naman yung suspense. Let's go, JV. Hoy, small wins ka agad? Wow, let's see anong small wins ni JV. Wow! Sinwerte ka agad. Start pa lang ng game, ha? In fairness, willing sila mag-invest agad sa Sunfit and Well. They recognize the value of the product. Busy na. Let's see. 16 minutes to go. Meron na po bang namumuro dito? Ayan, nagsa-start pa lang sila. Okay. Don't forget, our facilitators, kapag even numbers, isweldo sila, pero pag odd number, bayaran ng mga gastusin. God, bayad agad talaga. Such is life. But we're seeing our media friends really investing in the emergency tokens, in insurance products. Good job. Question mo yung advisor. Ayan mo siya sa decision niya. Ayan. Oh. I can imagine na, syempre, some of you medyo namumuro, medyo maraming funds, but let's also remember, sometimes, it takes just one live event para mabawi lahat ng inipon natin, so we have to be protected. And yan talaga, life happens. You have to make life choices so you can experience a life win. For our facilitators, kapag meron na pong winner sa table nyo, please raise your hand. call our attention so that we can get your names. Dito sa brand ambassadors natin, isa sinong namumuro? Sino maraming fans? Mateo! Wow! Medyo intense. Intense, pretty financial. Grabe. Minutes to go, guys. 13 minutes to go. Intense ang laro, nagkakahiyawan ng mga tao. Hindi ko alam kung dahil naubos yung pondo nila or dahil nagkaroon sila ng mga small wins. Ano na, Larissa? Hanggang dito tagabayan ka. Ganyan talaga, life happens. Life happens, sabi nga sa game. Si Mark. Ikaw, Mark. Kamusta? One. Oh, life wins! Let's see, let's see. Wow! Ano yan? 100% of the salary ay nako, sana sa